everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we have to continue the fraction word problems. We are now in number 2 problem. After a party, Karen had 1/5 trays of cake left over. Each of her 4 cousins took home the same amount of leftover cake. How many trays of cake did each cousin take home? So our solution here, so we will write the given first as part of our understanding and the problem. The given is 8 1/5 trays cake left over, and we have 4 cousins. And what is asked in the problem? The problem asks the number of trays of cake shared equally by its cousin. So, to solve the problem, we have to divide as part of our plan, because in sharing equally, so meaning to say we're going to divide to each other. So to solve this, so 1/5, we're going to change the mixed number into improper fraction. So that's why 8 times 5 equals 40 plus 1 equals 41/5 divided by 4, which is the cousin. So by reciprocal method, we have to write first the first equation, 41/5, then division, change the multiplication symbol, and for reverse, it becomes 1/4. Then multiply 41 times 1 equals 41, and 5 times 4 equals 20. Then we're going to 41 divided 20 equals 2.05. So our complete answer now, each cousin will take home 2.05 trays of cake. Okay, next, number 3 problem. Jerome and Clark went on 15 1/4 hour mountain bike tour. They rested every 1.5 hours. How many times did they stop to rest? Our solution, we have to understand, of course, the problem. So the given is 15 1/4 hours mountain bike tour. Then the other given is 1.5 hours stop to rest. Then what is asked in the problem? Number of times to stop to rest. To solve the problem, our plan is to divide, because we're going to know how many 1.5 hours and 15 1/4 hours. So the mixed number 15 1/4 hours. So change this into improper fraction. We have to multiply 4 times 15 plus 1, so it becomes 61. Then copy denominator 4. Then divide, change the mixed number from the given 1.5, change to improper fraction. 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 1, 3/2. And then we're going to apply the reciprocal method to find the quotient of 61/4 divided by 3/2. So we are going to apply the reciprocal. 61 divided by 4 times 2/3 equals, so we have to cancellation. We can apply the cancellation method. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 1 times 1 equals 61. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then we're going to divide it. 61 divided by 6 equals 10.16. Then round up to the nearest whole number. 10.16 becomes now 10. So our complete answer now, Jerome and Clark, they made 10 stops.